विजीट आसली आमच्या क्लबान. सो एवरी इयर अशें आसता आनी आयज तेजे फंक्शनाक आमी आयज टिचरीचे फेलिसिटी हें केलां आमी 4 टिचरी आनीक आमी सोदून हें केलां तांकां म्हणजे आमी बरी टिचरी कोण सगल्यो बरी टिचरी आसा पण आमी तांकां सिलेक्ट केले आनी ते टिचरीक आमी फेलिसिट केला कित्याक आयज ते ल्हान ल्हान भुरगे आयज शिकोवपाक इतले फकाणान न्हू. इट्स बरी त्रास पडटा तांकां. इट्स व्हेरी सारकें आनी इतले ती मोगान शिकयताय आनीक एक ती एक सेकंड मादर कशी आसा टिचरी. सो आमी आयज तांकां हें केलां आनीक तशें आमी आयज एक कॅन्सराचे टॉक दवरल्या आनीक तशेंच आमी भुरगे जायते जाण टोबाको खाताय तेजेरूय आमी अवेरनेस दवरला आनी सो डॉक्टर बी उलयता.
Today we had Lions Club of Chikaling Bokmalo had the visit of Zone Chairperson Vishal Desai. He has visited our club and he has been very helpful to our club, providing all the necessary support to the club and helping us to rise even higher than what we are. So first of all, I would like to thank Vishal for always being there whenever we need him. And on this occasion, we have two other celebrations. Like we have celebrated the Teachers' Day today, as you have been told, and we are also having a small talk for the students. As we see, like every nook and corner, we see that children are taking drugs. It is the youngsters, but it starts when they are small, not when they grow up. It starts because it is what normally we see in the slum areas, and all the parents send the children to get tobacco, and this is how they start. When they start with it, the parents cannot shout at them and ask them not to do so because they themselves are teaching them to do all this. And we know that small children are going to the tobacco, to the gadas, and they're buying tobacco. And they, I've been told that even when they're wearing uniform, they go and purchase tobacco from the gadas. And the teachers of this school itself, they went and actually told them not to do so. At least when they're wearing uniform, you should know that the students. But we request even those sellers, because you are spoiling the children. It may be your child tomorrow. So for this reason, we are trying to guide the children when they are small only, and request them or rather help them not to get into this habits. At the same time, this habits also can lead to many other things like various types of cancers and all that. And we are having a talk by this extension educator, Madam Karishma Kilkar, on these two topics: tobacco, use of tobacco, and how to avoid different cancers by following a proper lifestyle.
बेसिकली कशें आसता की टिचरांचो कंट्रिब्युशन आसा पळय तें रिकॉग्नायज खंयतरी जायना सोसायटीन. आनी लायन्स क्लब अशें आसा की इंटरनॅशनल ऑर्गनायझेशन अशें आसा की सगळी कडेन टिचर्सांक एक रिकॉग्नायज करता, एक प्लॅटफॉर्म दिता. तेंचे जी आख्या वर्साची जी तेंची सर्वीस प्रोवायड केल्ली आसता तांकां खंय तरी रिकॉग्नेशन. आमी टिचर स्टुडंटांक रिकॉग्नायज करतात, पॅरंट्स स्टुडंटांक रिकॉग्नायज करता, पण टिचर्सांक रिकॉग्नायज करपा खातीर कोण तरी जाय आसता. आणि NGO सारखे लायन्स किंवा अदर ऑर्गनायझेशन्स हे फुडें येवन जेन्ना टिचरींक जेन्ना रिकॉग्नायज करतात तेन्ना टिचरींचो एक मनोबल वाडटा आनी खंय तरी बरें दिसता तांकां की स्टुडंटांक आमी शिकयल्या बद्दल आमकांय कोणी तरी रिकॉग्नायज केला. आनी अशा पद्दतीच्यो आसात पळय त्यो रिकॉग्नेशन्स किंवा वेळोवेळी तांकां मानधन किंवा कशें कितें आसा तांकां प्रोवायड करून लायन्स क्लब सदांच फुडें आसता. आनी ह्या खातीर आर्नोल्ड बाब आसा, लायन्स आर्नोल्ड बाब आसा आमचो, तो सदैव सत्करीय आसता. वास्कोच्या खंयच्याय क्षेत्रांत जर फुडें कितें करचें आसा जाल्यार तो फुडें येवन आपल्या मनांतल्यान स्वनिधींतल्यान करून दिता. ही एक खास आमची खुशी भोगता.